Alrighty, so here goes the first video of really beginning of diving into everything on how I day trade and my strategy. But first, let's get started on some things that you should keep in mind before we start. Number one, you need to be dedicated to learning. Something that I've always heard and I've heard from different people is that it takes about 10,000 hours to be good at something. The amount of work that you're putting in matters. When I first started, I was putting in like 7 hours a day, let's say. And this is no boost. Like I was studying from maybe like 10 o'clock all the way to 8 p.m. So 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. I was studying. I was watching so many videos. I was watching like how to do this stuff. So the dedication matters. So the quicker you learn and you're dedicated to it, you're gonna have a fast learning curve if you're dedicated to learning. So just be dedicated. Number two, it's very, very, very important. This is not a get rich quick type of thing. I know like day trading already has its stigmas. You see people driving their Lambos, Rolls Royces, flashing their diamonds everywhere, big houses and everything. That is not the case for a lot of people. Um, a lot of people do this as an extra source of income because it really is an extra source of income. I believe that you should still have multiple sides of income when doing this. This is not a get rich type of thing. If you think it's a get rich type of thing that you're going to be able to day trade within a week and start making money, I think you might just need to exit off this video because it's not going to be like that. Again, the amount of work you put in matters. That goes back to none. That goes back to number one. The amount of work you put in matters. So if you don't put in that much work and you only think you're going to put in 15 minutes or 30 minutes a day, it's not going to work like that. I feel like at least, at least an hour in the morning, hour in the afternoon, at least 2 hours a day type of thing. Learning. But put in the work. Number three, stay constantly learning even outside of me. I feel like there's something that I don't explain well, then it's okay to seek outside information from Google, other YouTube channels, other people that do this. Because I might not explain it well, like somebody else might explain it. You want to dive, let's say I'm talking about Fibonacci candles, and you want to know the background of the history of Fibonacci candles, and I don't explain it into depth or something, then you can seek that outside information from somebody. But always constantly stay learning, even outside of me, even outside of somebody else that you know that probably does the same exact thing to make extra income in a month. Stay constantly learning. Those are the three things. Be dedicated to learning. It's not a get rich quick type of thing. And number three, stay constantly learning, even outside of me. All right. That should do it. But yeah, let's start to dive into the first beginning stages of how to day trade.